Hey Jeffrey, this is Nate coming to you from Tameron Hyundai. Just wanted to send you a quick video walk around of one of the Hyundai Sonatas that you inquired about. Hey, this one is white. As you can see, man, I have tons of these vehicles here, so don't worry about color. That's the least of our worries. I just wanted to demonstrate a quick video walk around of one. This vehicle does feature Hyundai's cascading waterfall grille, as well as the LED wraparound headlights, daytime running lights, aluminum alloy wheels, blind spot detection. There's so many things that go into these vehicles, Jeffrey, that it's almost impossible for me to lay it out in this quick video. But come on inside, I'm going to show you a couple of quick features. This vehicle does feature Hyundai's Android Apple CarPlay. Once you Bluetooth your phone to the system, that's going to allow you hands-free operation to answer phone calls, send text messages, things of that nature. Does have the polished steel protecting on the seats. It's going to keep these seats from staining on you. And let me tell you one of the beauty parts about Hyundai. Jeffery is America's best warranty. That warranty is 5 years, 60,000 miles of bumper-to-bumper protection, as well as a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain protection. But exclusively here at Tameron, we're going to double that for you and make it 20 years or 200,000 miles, whichever comes first. Come see me. Again, I have plenty of these vehicles here, willing to make deals. Tomorrow, 205-287-2321. Come see me, Jeffrey. You're going to love the way you're treated here at Tameron.